Welcome back to Omnitech Insight. Today we're diving into one of Microsoft's latest game changers, Microsoft Copilot. This AI-powered assistant is designed to revolutionize how you work, play, and manage your life. Whether you're a busy professional, a creative enthusiast, or just looking to streamline your daily tasks, Copilot has something for you. So what exactly is Microsoft Copilot and how can it transform your day-to-day life? Let's find out. What is Microsoft Copilot? Microsoft Copilot is an AI-driven assistant integrated across Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. Powered by advanced language models, Copilot helps you write, analyze, design, and communicate more effectively. Think of it as your personal AI coworker, always ready to assist you in various tasks. Key features of Microsoft Copilot. Now let's break down some of the key features that make Microsoft Copilot a must-have tool. Feature 1. Smart Writing Assistance. Struggling to find the right words? Copilot can draft emails, create reports, and even generate creative content based on your prompts. It's like having a professional writer by your side, making it easier to communicate your ideas clearly and effectively. Feature 2. Data insights and analysis. Copilot doesn't just handle words, it's also a data wizard. In Excel, Copilot can analyze large datasets, generate insights, and even create complex formulas. This feature is perfect for business professionals who need to make data-driven decisions without spending hours crunching numbers. Feature 3. Creative Design Assistance. Need to create a stunning presentation? Copilot can suggest layouts, design themes, and even generate visuals in PowerPoint. This means you can focus more on the content while Copilot takes care of the design aesthetics. Feature 4. Seamless integration across apps. The beauty of Copilot is its seamless integration across all Microsoft 365 apps. Whether you're drafting a document, analyzing data, or managing your inbox, Copilot is there to assist you, making your workflow more efficient and connected. How to use Microsoft Copilot in different life setups. So, how can you use Microsoft Copilot in different aspects of your life? Here are a few scenarios. Scenario 1. The busy professional. For professionals juggling multiple tasks, Copilot can streamline your workflow by drafting emails, scheduling meetings, and even preparing reports. It's like having an AI-powered assistant that keeps you organized and on top of your game. Scenario 2. The creative enthusiast. If you're a content creator, Copilot can help you brainstorm ideas, write scripts, and design presentations. With its creative suggestions, you can elevate your projects and bring your vision to life more efficiently. Scenario 3. The student. For students, Copilot can assist in writing essays, analyzing data for projects, and organizing study materials. It's like having a tutor who's always ready to help you excel in your studies. Ready to try Microsoft Copilot? Here's how to get started. Step 1. Update Microsoft 365. Make sure your Microsoft 365 apps are updated to the latest version to access Copilot. Step 2. Enable Copilot. Once updated, look for the Copilot icon in your apps and enable it. It's that simple. Step 3. Start using Copilot. Begin exploring Copilot's features by typing your commands or prompts. The more you use it, the better it understands your preferences. Microsoft Copilot is more than just an AI assistant. It's a game changer for productivity and creativity. Whether you're working on a project, managing your tasks, or just looking to simplify your life, Copilot has you covered. Give it a try and see how it can transform the way you work and live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tech insights right here on Omnitech Insight. See you in the next video.